friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And what I have for review today is the Fevicryl Acrylic Colors from Fevicryl. So guys, this is a box of acrylic colors right here, which is Fevicryl, and it is a box of acrylic colors. Like I told you, it is a pack of 10 shades that we get here, and Fevicryl is a brand from Fevicryl itself. So let's start off with the review, guys. So it comes packaged like this. It is completely covered with a plastic wrap all around it, and in this promo pack what we get is we get one Fevicryl molded pack, which is a 50-gram molded pack, free with this. So let's go ahead and open the pack and check this out. So here guys, when I open the pack, first thing what I have is a Fevicryl molded pack that has come here. So this is a Fevicryl molded. It's a promo pack which is there 50 grams in each. So this is what you get with it, a Fevicryl 50-gram molded pack. So we'll look at this later. This is what has come free with this pack. Moving on, what we have, we'll just open the box right now. And this is how it comes packaged in this wonderful plastic box right here, right? With the Fevicryl branding right on top, you can see the Fevicryl branding and the name of the product, which is Acrylic Colors, written here. 10 shades mentioned here. About the offer is mentioned here, about the promo offer where you get this molded kit free is mentioned there. Moving on to the side, these are the shades which are available, which we get in this. There's ultramarine blue, there's burnt sienna, white, black, sap green. Yeah, there's all colors in it. Light green, deep brilliant purple, crimson, lemon yellow and orange. So a total of 10 shades.
To decorate with stickers also. In
Yeah.
that we can use this also to decorate that.
Yes.
All these four.
So the net quantity is 150 ml. So you have 15 ml bottles, 10 15 ml bottle each, which you get here in this, and the MRP is the same as rupees 250. So guys, that's the MRP. I told you the net quantity is 150 ml, 15 ml each bottle is consist of, and this is how you open the pack. It's like a tiffin box, so very easy, just open lock thing. And here they are given that the other colors which are also available to be bought, you can purchase them individually. So these are the colors which are also available, which are mentioned here. And here is what we get first along with this is they are given you like what all can be made, right? So this is a shade mixing chart given here of telling you which colors will you get when you mix two colors. So here's shade mixing chart given right here. So very handy, keep it handy with you, right? So this is what you get first inside this. Then what we have inside are the 10 different bottles. Now the thing with this is you need to be a bit careful with this because these are glass bottles. So better be careful with it. Okay, you don't need to drop it. If you drop it, it breaks. So these are glass bottles. So you really need to be careful with this, kids. So yeah. So you get 10 different shades. Really nice looking shades. Like this is the orange that is here. We have the pinkish color right here. We have 2 shades of green. We have crimson red here. So multiple 10 different shades that we have, which I mentioned earlier, that come in this box. So guys, overall a wonderful pack this is. If you like painting, definitely you can invest into buying an acrylic paint box like this, which is really beautiful, gives you vibrant colors. So guys, this is the Fevicryl Acrylic Colors. If you are looking to buy this, it's available on Amazon. I'll left a link in the description below. Do check it out from there. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.